Gonna weld today. I'm gonna weld today, and I'm welding some stainless steel together. Some stainless steel plates. I'll show them to you, and I'm welding with acetylene and oxygen using the Lincoln Portatorch oxygen and acetylene welding rig. And there it is. And I have a white thick t-shirt covering the acetylene tank so it doesn't be exposed to direct sunlight, because acetylene is extremely flammable fuel. There's the torch. And here's the stainless steel. Let me get this camera mounted or set correctly and get this going. Wait. This is kind of hard getting this set correctly. Okay, and here's the stainless steel. That's about a little past 1/8 of an inch thick. It's stainless. This is the first time I've ever welded a stainless steel butt joint with acetylene and oxygen. I've welded stainless steel before with electricity, but not acetylene and oxygen. And this is the first time I've did this. So let me turn on the acetylene. Let me light it. There it is. Now I'm going to turn on the oxygen. And since that's thick steel, it's going to take some heat to weld it. There's a neutral flame. Let's preheat it a little. There goes the molten pool. There it goes. Stop there, turn it off, save it. Wow. Look at that. Well, let me pick it up with some pliers and solve the problem of trying to get a good look at this. So there is stainless steel done by oxygen and acetylene. Well, there's the back. Now, I was in a flat position. I'm not going to try to put pressure on this or break this